guys, today my sister is going to tell fruits from her book. Okay, let's start.
Apple.
Very good, it's an apple.
Mango.
Very good, it's a mango.
Strawberry.
Very good, it's a strawberry.
Apple.
Very good, grapes.
Mola.
Very good, it's a guava.
Lychee.
She cannot pronounce well, that's why it's sounding like that. That's good.
Banana.
Very good. Papaya.
Kiwi.
Very good, kiwi.
Patti.
Very good, it's a plum.
Lychee.
Very good, it's cherry.
Cherry.
Very good.
Banana.